Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another exciting video. Today we'll be talking about the best online casino apps that are available in India 2024. So let's take a look at them. Also, all the sites I'll be talking about, their links will be available in the description box as well as in the pinned comment section. And don't forget to join our Telegram group as well. Links will be available in the pinned comment. So first site that is going on the online casino tag is going to be OneWin. OneWin site is one of the most reputed brands in India, especially lots of sports options are given to play on, like cricket, football, basketball, baseball, and other e-tournaments are also available on this app OneWin. OneWin offers easy withdrawals and deposits as well through UPI, bank transfer, NEFTs and IMPS. For UPI you can choose from Paytm or Google Pay or as well as PhonePe app as well. Also you get the deposit options in crypto, WhatsApp Pay. Other than that, you can also choose from debit and credit cards from Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank and other reputed banks that are available in India. Also OneWin offers lots of bonuses on weekly basis as well as monthly basis. So don't forget to grab them. Links will be available in the description box as well as in the pinned comment section. Second site for online casino 2024 is going to be 4Rabbit. 4Rabbit is one of the oldest and the most reputed companies when it comes to betting in India. Lots of sports and casinos options to choose from where you can bet and place your bets as well. Withdrawals and deposits are very easy to make via UPI, bank transfer, NEFTs as well as IMPS, and you get the option of cryptocurrency or WhatsApp Pay as well. There are many major banks that are partner for easy and reliable deposit like Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and there's SDFC and many other reputed banks as well. Link for the 4Rabbit site is available in the description box as well as in the pinned comment section. Third site we'll be talking about for online casino trading is going to be Rajbet. One of the best sites for sports, as there are lots and massive options to choose from in sports, especially when it comes to Rajbet. There are 2500 plus option in sports in Rajbet. Also you can choose from multiple games or multiple sports like cricket, football, rugby, basketball, baseball, badminton, tennis, etc, etc. Easy withdrawals and deposits are there. The minimum deposit should be or must be INR 1000 rupees. You can make your deposit and withdrawals via UPI, bank transfer, NEFT, IMPS or from UPI apps like Paytm, Google Pay or PhonePe. Then you also have the options of cryptocurrencies to pay or deposit from cryptocurrency as well, and WhatsApp Pay is also available in this Rajbet app. Many multiple options to choose from in bonuses. From Rajbet you get bonuses on weekly basis as well as on weekends, and it also available on the monthly basis when it comes to Rajbet app. Links for the Rajbet app will be available in our description box as well as in the pinned comment section. Now time for the fourth app or site for online casino is going to be Lobet. Lobet site has the best UI when it comes to the features of UI as well as it's pretty responsive. Other than that, their ticket solution is pretty great as well. On their mails take 3 to 4 hours to give you a proper solution on their mail or on their tickets. UI is very appealing and eye-candy as well. Easy withdrawals and easy deposits are also there via UPI, bank transfer, NEFT. Major banks are partnered up with them, so don't worry about that as well. There are a lot of angel investors as well on their page, so do look out for them as well. Don't forget to grab your weekly bonuses or weekend bonuses, and also they provide big bonuses on monthly basis as well. So don't forget to check out their site. Links will be available in the description box as well as in the pinned comment section. Fifth site we'll be talking about is going to be 9wins for playing online casinos. Now you get lots of options in games, especially in casino slots and games like blackjack, teen patti, andar bahar. There are many other options as well that you can check out from their site. Again, the withdrawals and deposit option are very easy to make via UPI, bank transfer, NEFTs or IMPS. By UPI I mean the Paytm or Google Pay or PhonePe as well. Also many major banks have partnered with them, so you can use your debit cards and credit cards as well. Crypto option is also available for deposit and withdrawals methods. Many weekly and weekend options are also available when it comes to bonuses to grab on. Don't forget to grab their bonuses and to check out their site. Link will be available in the description box as well as in the pinned comment section. Sixth site for best casino experience is going to be Bet Lottery India app, which is a pretty new name to the industry, but yes, it has a very good UI as well as their responsiveness on the tickets is very good as well. UI is neat and very fast, and there are lots of options to choose from, especially in cricket segment or especially in sports segment. Lots of bonuses to grab on sports and casino apps like cashback offers, or if you are new to them, there are lots of offers for you as well. And not to forget to check out the site. Links will be available in the description box as well. Now we'll be talking about the deposits and withdrawals. Very easy to make via UPI, bank transfer, NEFTs, and other than that, major banks have partnered up with them, so you can also make the payments via your credit cards or debit cards as well. Last site or seventh site we're going to be talking about for online casino trading or experience is going to be Parimatch. UI get the eye candy and eye appealing features in the UI. With the fraction of second it opens up and loads up the site as well, so the UI is pretty clean and minimalistic. Also it is very responsive and good when it comes to ticket solution, provide them on mail pretty easily and very responsively. Many sports options are available in this app, as well as you get the option of e-tournaments. E-tournaments are like the games that are streamed on YouTube as well. So e-tournaments consists of CSGO or e-football or e-cricket games. Easy withdrawals and easy deposits of 500 INR is needed to start your playoffs, and also the deposit options are pretty great as well. You can make the deposit from UPI, bank transfer, NEFT, IMPS or cryptocurrency as well. Don't forget to grab your bonuses on this app, and also the links for this site or app will be available in the description box as well as in the pinned comment section. So these were some sites for best online casinos in 2024 India. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, also the bell notification icon as well. Also all the links for all the sites and apps that I just talked about will be available in the description box as well as the pinned comment section. Also don't forget to join our Telegram group as well. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep playing.